Hello dear children, all of you welcome to our 4th standard mathematics online class. In this class, we have to discuss about the statement problem. In this previous class, we have to learn about statement problem of our real life situation. Right now, yes. Already we have to study about self-practice 3F sums, first, second and third. Yes. So first of all, student, all of you put your date in left margin. After, you have to start your session. Okay. So first, all of you write the heading self practice 3F. Today, we will learn about the continuous statement problem. Okay. Okay, guys. So first, I have to take fourth one. The fourth one is just waiting. Ramesh deposited rupees 28,560 in his savings bank account. Later, he withdrew rupees 10,893 from it. How much money is there in his account now? Dear children, first all of you find the solution of a statement problem. First all of you read the problem, after you can find the solution. Okay. So once again, I have to read that Ramesh deposited rupees 28,560 in his saving bank account. Ramesh having one account. Okay. She has to deposit some amount. How much amount? 28,560. It's also given. Okay. Later, he withdraw. He withdraw means he take the amount. How much amount he had to take? 10,893 from it. Okay. How much amount? 10,893. Okay. How much money is there in his account now? After taken, the balance amount is also there in Ramesh's account. Okay, this is a question. How will you find them? What is the given? It's very good, children. The given is deposited amount is also given and withdraw amount is also given. How much deposited amount? 28,650. How much amount withdraw? 10,893. What's the question? Balance amount. What is the question? Balance amount. Dear children, suppose I am having 25 rupees in our account. Okay, just I have to take 5 rupees in my account. How much amount I will be have? How much amount, dear children? 20 rupees. How will you do? Just you have to subtract 25 minus 5. We get 20 rupees right now. This is the same meaning about. Okay, so deposited amount is also there, withdraw amount is also there. Just you can find the balance amount. Okay, so first all of you write the deposit amount, and next all of you write withdraw amount. Next you have to subtract these two amount. Okay, so dear children, first all of you go to right to left. The first place is also goes to one's place value. One's place value is also 0. Yes. Okay. Just you have to borrow one number from the previous place. Previous place is 6. So just you have to take 110. The 6 and the 1 9, you have to take one number. 6 become 5. Very good. 6 either change aguma, 5 change agum. Ingerinde edukra 1 either change agum. 10. Very good. 10 minus 3. Next you have to subtract 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Very good. Next you have to subtract 10's place 5 minus 9. So 5 and the 9 subtract panamane, just you have to borrow one number from the previous place. Previous place having 5. So just I have to take one number 5. So 5 becomes 4. 4 and the one inge change 15. Very good. So 15 minus 9 equal to 6. Very good. Next, all of you go to 100 place. 100 place is 4. 4 and you have to subtract 8. Does not subtract. Okay. So just you have to borrow one number from the previous place. Previous place having 8,000, right? So just I have to take 1. 8 and 7. And the 1 change 4 14. Very good. 14 and 8 subtract answer 6. Very good. Next, subtract 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 equal to 7. Very good. Next, subtract 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Very good. So 17,667. Okay. So the answer is how much amount balance? 17,667. So 17,667 amount is there in Ramesh account. Okay, so listen children, Ramesh have some amount deposited after he withdraw some amount. Okay, the final question is how much amount is also there in Ramesh account. Okay, so just you have to subtract deposited and withdraw. Finally, we get the answer. Okay, okay, children. Next, we'll go to the next question. The next question is Raja planted 64,382 trees in a year. Okay, the next year, the number of plants are increased to 72,468. So, how many new plants were added in the year? So, listen, children, 1 year Raja planted some trees. How many trees? 64,382. Okay. And the next year he has to planted 72,468 trees. But trees also increase or decrease? Very good, increase. So listen. So for example, suppose I'm having 5 chocolates. Okay. How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. And the next day I'm having 10 chocolates. How many chocolates increase? 5 chocolates. Very good. This is also same one. So Raja planted some trees in 1 year. So 1 year அவர் எவ்வளவு plant வந்து tree plant பண்றாரு? 64,382. And the next year he has to planted 72,468 trees. The question is how many new plants were added in the year? So the next yearல எவ்வளவு trees வந்து add ஆயிருக்கு? இதான் நமக்கு question. Okay. So what's a given plan? First 1 year and the second year is also given. Question என்ன? How much increase? Question is how much increase? Okay. So first what we will do, right? Yes, very good. The increase year. Which year is increase? Second year is also increase. So just I have to take 1 year equal to first year and the second is also second year. Okay. So first all of you write, Raja planted a tree in second year. She has to planted 2 years. Okay, first year and second year. First year 62,000, second year 72,000. So 72,000 is the largest number. So largest number and the smallest number subtract one. So just I have to write Raja planted a tree in second year. So how much amount? Sorry, how much number of trees planted? 72,468. Okay. And the next one, Raja planted a tree in first year. The first year, how much tree he has to planted? Very good, 64,382. Next, we have to subtract. Find number of plants increase in second year. Okay. Just you have to subtract these two numbers. So first all of you go to subtract ones place value. The ones place value is 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Very good. Next, all of us subtract tens place value. The tens place value is 6. Right now, 6 minus 8 does not subtract. So just you have to borrow one number from the previous place. Now 4 la ஒரு number எடுக்கறோமா அது ஏதா change ஆகும்? Very good. 3 யா change ஆகும். Right now. Yes. இந்த 1 எப்பவும் ஏதா change ஆகும்? 6 ஏதா change ஆகும்? 16 change ஆகும். So 16 la 8 subtract பண்ண answer என்ன? 8. Very good. So next you have to subtract 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Very good. Next all of you subtract 2 minus 4. 2 and 4 subtract panama? No. So do not subtract right now. So just you have to take one from previous place. Previous place are 7. 7 and the one 6. And the 1 in the 2 change change 12. About 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Very good. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So listen children, suppose the first number has 0, you have to does not write in answer. Okay, since 0 has no value. Okay, so the answer is 8,086 plants are added in the second year. How much plants are increases? 8,086 plants. Okay, okay guys, once again I have to tell you, Raja planted some trees in 64,382 trees in 1 year. Okay, in the next year, some trees are increased. He has to planted 72,468. So how much trees are increased? That is a question. Okay, so just you have to write which one is which number is the largest number. Second is also largest number. So just I have to take the first one, largest number 72,000. Next you have to write the first year. After you can subtract these two numbers. Okay, okay guys. Next one is two candidates contested an election. Okay, 73,457 votes are polled in all. 49,682 votes were polled in favor of one candidate and 4,974 votes were found invalid. Okay, so how many votes were polled in favor of the other candidate? Listen children, two candidates contested an election. So ஒரு எலெக்ஷன்ல ரெண்டு கேண்டிடேட் வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்றாங்க, சாரி கண்டஸ்டன்ட் இருக்காங்க. So for total 73,457 votes are polled in all. So overall எவ்வளவு votes poll ஆயிருக்குமா? 73,457. Okay. So 49,682 votes were polled in favor of one candidate. So a candidate, how many votes are polled? 49,682. Okay, and next one is 4,974 votes were found in invalid. So how many votes are invalid? 4,974. Okay. The question is, how many votes were polled in favor of the other candidate? How many votes? So two candidates, one candidate is also given, invalid votes is also given. What's the question? How many votes were polled in favor of other candidate? So other candidate oda votes என்ன? இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு question. So first given என்ன find out பண்ணணும், நம்ம ஈஸியா எழுதிட்டோம், மென்ஷன் பண்ணோம்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆன்சர் பண்றது ஈஸி. ஓகேவா? So listen children, what's the given? Total votes is also given. How many total votes? 73,457. Okay. And next was the given votes for first candidate. First candidate எவ்வளவு votes வாங்கியிருக்கார்? 49,682. Okay. And the next, how much invalid votes? 4,977. Okay. What we will find? Very good. How many votes are polled in second candidate? Second candidate oda votes என்ன? இதுதான் நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். Okay va? So first what we will do? The three given is also there. How will you find them? So listen children, I have to take two numbers. Okay, I have to take two numbers. Just you have to add these two numbers. I will given. Okay, after some numbers are so invalid, this number is also given. How will you find the easiest method? That is for example also there. There are two children are also there. Okay, how many children? Two children. In a plate, 20 chocolates is also there. So just I will give 7 chocolates in first candidate. Okay, first children. Okay, just I will give 7 chocolate in first children. Okay, and 3 chocolates are some mistaken. Okay, 3 chocolates are some invalids. Okay, how many chocolates I will give in second children? How many chocolates? Listen children, in plate 20 chocolates I will give. Okay, and next I will give 7 chocolates to first children, and then 3 chocolates are poor chocolates. Okay, how balance? How many chocolates I will give in second children? Any idea? Yes, very good children. So in this second children I will give 10 chocolates right now. Yes, how will you find? So first I will give 7 chocolate in the first children. Yes, how many chocolates are poor chocolate? 3. Just you have to add these two numbers, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, send me the balance, 10 chocolates. Very good. So this is also same method of this question. Okay, total votes is also given. Votes for first candidate is also given. Invalid votes is also there. Okay, you can find second candidate votes. Okay, so first you can add votes for first candidate and invalid votes. Okay, so votes for first candidate, how many votes? 49,682. Okay, invalid votes, How many invalid votes? 4,974. Okay, just you have to add these two numbers. We get total of first candidate and invalid vote. So இந்த ரெண்டையும் நமக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், ஆட் பண்ணி அந்த டோட்டல்ல இருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா அப்படின்னா ஆன்சர் வருமா, செகண்ட் கேண்டிடேட்டோட ஓட்ஸ் என்னன்னு வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேண்டிடேட்டோட ஓட்டையும் இன்வாலிட் ஓட்டையும் நான் ஆட் பண்ணி ஃபைனலா டோட்டல்ல இருந்து நான் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா நமக்கு இதோட ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும், செகண்ட் கேண்டிடேட்டோட ஓட்ஸ் என்னன்னு தெரியும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஆட் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 equal to, very good, 6. Next add 10's place value, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 equal to 15, and I have to write 5. 1 is also goes to carry. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. Very good. You can write 6 in 100 place. 1 is also goes to carry. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So just I have to write 4 in 1000 place, and 1 is also goes to 10,000 place. Okay, so 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So 54,656. Our total votes in 54,656. Next, total votes. How many total votes? 73,457. And next you can write the total votes in first candidate and invalid votes. How many votes? 4,656. Okay, so total votes la irundhu nama add panna votes நம்ம subtract பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும், other candidate ஓட votes என்னன்னு கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? just you have to subtract. So first all of it go to first place. So one's place is 7. 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Very good. Next place is 5. 5 minus 5. ரெண்டுமே சேம் நம்பரா, ஆன்சர் என்னமா 0. வெரி குட். நெக்ஸ்ட் 4ல இருந்து 6 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணவே just you can borrow one number from the previous place. நான் previous place என்ன இருக்கும் 3. 3ல இருந்து 1 எடுத்தாங்க என்ன வரும், 3 became 2 ஆகும். இந்த 1 இங்க போகும்போது 4 becomes 14. So 14ல இருந்து 6 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா ஆன்சர் என்ன வருமா, 8. வெரி குட். நெக்ஸ்ட் you can subtract 2 minus 4. 2ல இருந்து 4 என்ன சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, just you can borrow one number from the previous place has 7. So I can take one number from the previous place, 6. 6 ல ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்தா இங்க ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் ஆகுமா, 2. 12 சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். 12ல இருந்து 4 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா ஆன்சர் என்ன, 8. next you can subtract 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. How much vote the second candidate has polled? 18,801. So 18,801 votes were polled in favor of other candidate. How much votes? 18,801. So listen children, total votes again, once again I have to tell you, total votes is also given, and the first candidate votes is also given, invalid votes is also given. Okay, and the question is how much votes were polled in favor of other candidate. So first you can add first candidate vote and invalid vote. Okay, and next you can subtract total votes minus total votes in first candidate and invalid vote. Finally we get the answer. Okay, dear children, the next one is the sum of two numbers is 7,38,611. Okay, so one of the number is 4,84,600. Find the other number. So listen children, the sum of two numbers is given in number name. Okay, 7,38,611. One of the number is 4,84,600. Find the other number. So நான் ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஆட் பண்றேன். ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு ஒரு ஆன்சர் இருக்கு. சோ அதுல ஒரு நம்பர் என்னங்கிறது எனக்கு இருக்கு. வாட்ஸ் தி क्वेश्चन? ஃபைண்ட் தி அதர் நம்பர். அதர் நம்பர் என்ன? ஓகேவா? சோ நான் ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணா எனக்கு ஆன்சர் 5. அதுல one number is 3. What's the other number? What we'll do? So just you can subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So the other number is 2. This is the same method of this sum. Okay, the sum. So first, what's the given? The sum of two number. The sum of two number is also given in numbers name. Right now, 7,30,611. So just you can change number name into numeral. 7,30,611. 36,611. And the next given is one number is also given, 4,84,600. Okay. And the next, what we will find was the other number. Okay, what is the other number? So listen, children. So first, all of you write the sum of two number. The sum of two number equal to 7,38,611. Okay. And the next one is one number. One number equal to 48,400. Sorry, 4,84,600. Okay, just you have to subtract these two numbers. So first, all of you go to ones place. And number நம்ம subtract பண்ணா என்ன answer வருமா? Other number வரும். Okay, so just you have to subtract. So first, all of you go to ones place. Ones place value is 1 minus 0. So 1 ல இருந்து 0 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன வருமா? Same number தான் 1. Next, you can subtract 1 minus 0, 1. 6 ல இருந்து 6 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன வருமா? 0. Very good. Next, 8 ல இருந்து 4 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன? 4. Very good. Next one. Next one is the smallest number. So 3 ல இருந்து 8 என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? Subtract பண்ண முடியாது. Just you can borrow one number from the previous place. So நான் 7 ல இருந்து ஒரு number இங்க எடுத்தா 7 become 6. 3 எதா change ஆகுமா? 13 change ஆகும். 13 ல இருந்து 8 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன? 5. Very good. 6 ல இருந்து 4 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன? 2. What's the other number? 2,54,011. Okay. So listen, children, உனக்கு numbers nameல இருக்குங்கிறதுனால you do not find the subtraction. Just you can write change into numbers name into numeral, after you can subtract. Okay. So the other number is 2,54,011. Okay, children. So homework session is given. Self practice 3F. You can do 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Sixth sum is Mr. Shinka earned 3,47,452 in 2 years. If one of those years he earned 88,673, how much did he earn in the other year? So listen, children, 2 years அவர் earn பண்றாரு 2 வருஷமா, சரியா? 1 year is also given. அந்த 2 yearsம் அவர் எவ்வளவு earn பண்றாரோ அதுவும் நமக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, 3,47,450. So 1 year என்னன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, what is the other year கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So this is a direct question. So 3,47,450 ல இருந்து 88,673 subtract பண்ணா answer வரும். ஓகேவா? And the next one is what must be added to 86,359 to make 1 lakh. So 86,359 கூட நம்ம எதை ஆட் பண்ணா 1 lakh வருங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ இப்போ 1 lakhல இருந்து நீ எதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும்? 86,359 நம்ம சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும்? அந்த ஆடட் நம்பர் என்னன்னு வரும். ஓகேவா? And the next one is find the difference of smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number 1 lakh, and the largest 5-digit number 99,999. So 1 lakh ல இருந்து 99,999 subtract பண்ணி answer என்னன்னு எழுதணும். Okay guys? Okay. Today's session is also over. So do the homework is very properly. Okay. Thank you dear